Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna find out why this air conditioning is not cooling down. Why turn it on and it cools a little bit down, but it doesn't do what it's supposed to do. So maybe you have the same problem or you're wondering why it's happening to yours. So stick around. I will guide you and see if that might fix the problem or not. So first of all, you're gonna have to move the screws all around it. It's very easy. And I realized this yesterday. This has too many filters, one up and one down. I mean, actually, this is the one that you can replace. I went yesterday and find out why this was too dirty, and I went and washed it out, and now if you see, very clean. So when I found that out, it's like I thought to myself, hey, maybe the whole entire air conditioning it's full of dust. So let's find out together. In this case, I already removed all entire screws. I'm using a drill, but you can use a screwdriver too. Boom! Look at that. This is completely dirty, you see? I don't know if you can see it there. Look at that. Watch your finger, because this is very sharpy. Probably that's the thing that is making my room hot instead of cooling down. So you're wondering, how am I gonna clean that? Well, I'm gonna use a vacuum cleaner to put all this dust away from my cooling system, whatever it calls. Now all this is clean, so right now I'm going to remove this piece right here. You see, a couple of screws this way, right here, a couple of screws, one right here, another one right here, another one right down there. We'll remove this little wire to take this part out here, and then make sure put it back where exactly it came from. Because if you don't take this piece out, you won't be able to move this out of the way. This is just sticking in there. It's kind of a antenna or something. I don't know. Make sure clean all the areas as much as you can with a wet cloth. This is a spider house. See, needs to be clean, definitely. On the bottom also has a couple screws. Well, if it's not that, so you won't be able to clean this area over here. Everything else looks okay. Everything else looks clean. So have a little water here. I don't know if this is causing a problem, but we'll see in the future. Perfect, looks everything clean right now. So all we have to do, put everything back in place and we'll see the time of truth. Okay, this is the moment of the truth. We fixed it or we killed it. So this is the moment that we will find out if all cleaning was worth it. So please, this is the end of the video. Let me know if you like this. If you have questions, let me know. I will do my best to answer it back to you. Well, if you have the same problem, probably this is just the easiest thing to clean up your own air, home conditioning filters and such. Alright, thank you very much for watching. Have a good time. Okay, cool. If you heard that, it turns from the fan to air conditioning, if you can call that. Now we'll figure it out if it will cool down better than before. Oh my goodness, I feel different right now. The cooling definitely comes out.